Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be how to clean a blender. This is a Ninja Bullet, I'm pretty sure, or I don't know what it is. It's a Ninja blender, I know that. So this is after I made a protein shake this morning, and the first thing I do before I clean the blender at all is always rinse it out and make sure most of the stuff is actually out of it. Because if you don't, it's not going to clean it right. And then after I rinse it, I fill it with warm water. I don't fill it that high, probably about a cup or two. And then I add a few drops of Dawn in different areas. That way it kind of disperses a little bit before. And then I add ice to it, and our ice maker is broke, so I'm using these ice cubes out of this little silicone ice cube mold because that's all we have. And then after that, I will put the lid back on the blender, and you will see me shaking it around just to get it mixed up a little bit before I actually put the blender on, and I had to refill the ice cube tray, so yeah, just did that too. Okay, so now that the lid is back on the blender, I'm just gonna shake the blender around a little bit just to get the soap to actually foam before I actually turn it on. So now I put it back on the base, and I just, sorry about the camera, and I just press power and high and blend it for a few minutes. And an important thing to note is that the speed of your blender and the power of it actually affects how long you actually have to do this, so it actually cleans the blender. And the cat is sitting on my lap if you can hear her purring. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so now that it's done blending, I just took it off, and now I'm going to rinse the lid, and most of the time you actually don't have to scrub any of it. It's pretty much just making sure you get the film off of it and rinsing all the soap off. And after rinsing it, I'm just going to leave it to dry, and it's really that simple, and it takes less than 5 minutes most of the time. And of course, I couldn't finish this video without an image of the clean blender. So this is what it looks like after it's been cleaned and dry.